Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing some chocolate milk. This brand is organic. It's pretty cool. No, I'm joking. This is from eBay right here. Somebody sent it in a chocolate milk, organic chocolate milk container or box. So very weird. It's a camera. I've been talking about this, but I can't wait to unbox it. I did get this thing right here. This is going to be really cool. This holds your camera up so you can get a view from the top. I've always wanted one of these right here. I got this on Amazon for like 30 bucks. I'll put in a link down in the description for you guys to get it if you guys want to. It's super cool. Like, look at that. That's awesome. So now, instead of putting my camera like this right here, I can have a cooler angle like that. So I'll see you guys on this camera. Well, you guys saw in the title, GoPro Session 5, so... Alright, so far, looking alright. Cool bag right here. Black Pro. This is weird, look at that. GoPro Session 5. It's in like a container. Whipped body butter? Alright, this is getting a little weird, so... We're going to open that last, the suspense. GoPro clamp, I have 2 of those. Another head mount, I have 1 of those. So I'm just getting extra stuff. No way! He did not include this. I've been looking for one of these for my RC car. I was going to buy one for 25 bucks, but he actually got one. So I'm going to sell this on my RC car. Look at that. Thank you. If you're watching this, thank you. I told him about it. You can put this on like any pole or anything. GoPro mount, I have one of these. Look at this grip. Look at there. I do not have one of these right here. I just have like regular grips and everything. Suction cup mount, really cheap. Never going to use this. Probably going to throw it away. Unless, if one of you guys wants it, I can give it to you. Chest mount. I have one of these right here, so won't be needing that. Anything else? Nothing. So the suspense right here. I'm definitely throwing this away. That's disgusting. If it's cracked, oh my gosh, that would be bad. Oh my. Here it is, the GoPro Session 5, you can see right there, Session 5. Okay, so let me tell you guys something. I'm going to put a bunch of pictures right here on the screen. This camera, I don't know why, but it's on Amazon, it's like selling for $800, brand new. Like, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't look like this comes with a charger, so... I think I have a charger, an extra charger, but still, 800 bucks for these. On eBay, they're selling for upwards to like $300 to $600. There is some scuffs right here. Look at that. It's actually in really good condition. The screen, like, look at that. That's in pretty good condition. We'll see if it. I'm gonna take it out of the case. So just go like that with the clamp. And then it just pops right out. So here it is right here. This is so cool because it's so small. Maybe. Alright, so I'm still trying to figure this thing out. So, to turn it on, you just hold the button, I think. And it is on right there. You can see. So, press this button to change modes, camera settings, stabilization, voice control, connection settings. Delete files, exit menu. We'll just press that, see if it works. Let's see if there's an SD card in here. So you just take off the side. No way. There is an SD card. Wait. Focus it. 32 gigabyte. Look at that. Okay. This is awesome. So... You're probably wondering how much I paid for this. I paid $200 for this GoPro and all the accessories right here. $200! Like, that is just amazing. Like, really. We're going to take a video on it. We're going to transfer. So I think I just press this. And it should start recording. And it started recording. Look at that. Alright, so we are on the GoPro Session. How's it going? We're going to show It's off right here. If you guys want to buy it, go down to the link and it's going to be there. The camera will be there too if you guys want to buy Canon M50 with 15 to 45 millimeter lens. Here's all the camera equipment and everything. So we're gonna get my Hero 9 out and do a test. Which one is better, 4K, 4K? So let's go over there. All right, it is on. Alrighty, so this right here is the Hero 5 Session, and this right here is the GoPro Hero 9. So if you guys can see, tell me if you can see a difference. Hopefully you can, or they might be the same. I both have them running at 4K 30 frames a second on wide angle lens. We'll go right here, we'll look around. So there's my camera. Here's my phone. This right here is the Hero Session. There. Okay. Looking around. Oh, I do have this right here. I forgot to show you guys. This is a box for the Hero Session. So, guys, tell me what you think. Hero Session, GoPro Hero 9. Alright, so I will put this in the link if you guys want to get a case. But this right here, I forget how much it was, but this is a cool case. It's really good quality. It's not like that cheap, I don't know what kind of fabric this is right here, but this is it right here. I got red, so you can get black or red. There's a nice zipper right here where you can put some of your camera gear, and then right here you can put a GoPro. So my GoPro's charging over here, but I'm just gonna take this out. So like you can put that right there. I don't have the case on my GoPro, so that's why it's so wobbly. Well, today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and tell me guys in the comments if you're looking for a GoPro Hero Session, and tell me what you found, if you found any GoPro Hero Session 5s under $200. I looked a long time. I was gonna buy the Session 4. I bought one, but the guy dropped it accidentally and cracked the screen. So I guess I got this one right here instead, which is really nice. 4K 30 frames a second. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.